There's no sense in doing anything financially if it's not going to help you live the life that you want to live. Hey, everybody. As you know, I always say we either work things out or we act it out, and we do it through our money, our health, or our relationships. Like we have this limiting belief in the world. And particularly, I see it, I'm from Chicago. I see it all the time. And it's like, no, no, no. You can work for a non-for-profit and you can get paid competitive salary. You don't have to take it on the chin. And what happens when that happens is everybody, including the organization, financially evolves even bigger. Because if you're squeezing and you're part of scarcity, then you're contracting and you're not drawing the money to you, because money is energy. And if you're clamping down and you feel small, then you're going to get small. But if you're opening up to abundance and going, I am worthy of this and I can do good in the world, well, guess what? The charity and you improve.
Right.
It's just like, they look like they're in the middle of hell. And I'm like going, I never want to be that in my job. I will stop what I'm doing the day that I don't love and I'm not passionate about what it is that I do. But there's so many people that stay in the job because they're providing for their families and they're doing the right thing, right? But is it really the right thing? Because what I've learned is that if you actually don't do what you're passionate about and pivot, you're going to create a circumstance where your job lets you go, and or disease is going to be created in your body because you're not
From the
happy.
stress, yeah.
That is such a big point. Borrowing from your future self. That is a big, big statement. Why is that a big statement for me? It's because of the fact that we are not our own banks. Like I tell people when they pay off their car, I want you to pivot and I want you to create a savings account that's only for a new car purchase, because you're going to buy another car. Most people are going to buy another car. The problem is they go to the bank and they're borrowing the money, and then they have this payment. So they have to work today to pay for yesterday's decision. And then they can't really live in the present moment and design a life that they really want to create today because they're paying for yesterday. And so when I heard you say borrowing from your future self, it's like, well, you became your own bank, so you're financially empowered. So you're building your own solid foundation, and it doesn't matter what's in the outside world then, because it's not affecting you. Doesn't matter what interest rates are because you've got your own and you can do it for yourselves, right? And the key is that all along the way, it's about that you have this blank canvas in life. How do you want to design it? How do you want to create it? Because your creation is your choice. And certainly millennials, I believe, know that better than any other generation. I would tell my baby boomer clients, I'd be like, well, because they're all like, we have the work ethic and these millennials, oh my God. And I'm going, oh, but they're teaching you how to make quantum leaps. And because millennials don't live by the same block and tackle, it has to be linear success, or you have to work at the same company for years and do your time. Millennials are like, I can have it now. Right. But it's about the fact that what makes you tick and what makes you happy. People always come to me as a financial planner and they say, well, what should I do? I'm like, there are no shoulds. What do you want to do? And they're like, what do I want to do? And then I started to realize that people come to me for permission to live the lives that they actually really want to live. And they just want me as a financial planner to help them figure out how to do that.